Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is memory. I will cover this topic. This topic is related to the IELTS Part 1 speaking. I have covered 3 to 4 questions, so there are answers which you can take for your head. So without wasting the time, let's get started. For this question, you can say, yes, I have a sharp memory. Or you could say, I have a memory like an elephant. So you could choose any phrase for this question, and then for elaboration, you could say, I can easily recall names and recognize old faces. So I could say, I am good at memorizing things. For this question, it is important to pick any specific event of your life so that you can have a specific answer. For example, I have written that, let me think. Oh yes, last Sunday I visited a Chinese restaurant with my family. There was a huge crowd. We spent 2 hours there, and when I reached home, I realized I forgot my bag over there. I immediately called the hotel manager to inquire. Thankfully, they kept my bag, and then next day I collected from them. Don't use too much details that shortcut your answer. So because this is just part 1 and 3 to 4 or maximum 5 lines are sufficient. In this question, you need to speak out the activities which you do to improve your memory power. So basically what you can say, well, usually I do meditation. It helps me to be more focused throughout the day. Sometimes I also jot down things so that I can check out later to recall. In this question, you can also talk about other activities, like you can say I am usually go for a walk, or I do various other exercises. You can call the names of the exercises. It wholly depends upon your choice. Now for this question, you have 3 options. Either you could say it's very easy for you to memorize things, or you could say it is very difficult for you. And you could also speak out the balance answer. Balance means it's easy sometimes and sometimes it's difficult. So let's see how. If you choose it's easy, then you could say, definitely, it's very easy for me as I have a sharp memory. I can't only remember my important works but also can recall little things easily. But if you are choosing the difficult one, then what could be the answer? It's very difficult for me. It's not a piece of cake for me, as I always face difficulty to recall my past things. I think I have a goldfish memory. Now, goldfish memory means you have a very poor memory, and you have also option of providing the balance answer. Then the answer would be, well, it depends upon what I'm remembering. I can easily recall my memories. However, I'm not good at remembering facts and figures. So you have 3 options. Pick your answer and elaborate into your sentence structure and work. That's it for today's topic. Please write your comments. It motivates me to make more videos, and like and subscribe for more updates.